Today, I will introduce you to two people that I admire. The first person is Jo Gyu-sang. Jo Gyu-sang is handsome and Korean hot guy. Jo Gyu-sang is Korean soccer player. Jo Gyu-sang all school goal is 21. Why I admire? Because he is handsome and on one game shoot 2 goals. In second, family. My mom cook well and she is beautiful. And my papa is very rich. Also, he is handsome. Last, my sisters and me. First, my sisters is pretty and study well. Last, me Diana is pretty too, also genius and cute and generous. In conclusion, I think my admired person is Jo Gyu-sang and my family because they have many kinds of good things. Thank you for listening.